How do you calculate slugging percentage in baseball statistics? Have you ever wondered how baseball players are evaluated for their power hitting abilities? One of the key metrics used is slugging percentage, often abbreviated as SLG. This statistic gives a clear picture of a player's ability to hit for power, and today, we are going to break down how to calculate it step by step. First off, slugging percentage measures the total bases a player earns per official at-bat. This is different from batting average, which treats all hits the same. Instead, slugging percentage gives more weight to extra base hits like doubles, triples, and home runs. This means that if a player hits a home run, it counts more towards their slugging percentage than a single would. To calculate slugging percentage, you can follow a simple formula. The formula is as follows. Slugging percentage equals the total bases from hits divided by the number of official at-bats. Now, let's break this down into manageable steps. First, you need to find out how many singles a player has. You can do this by taking the total number of hits and subtracting the number of doubles, triples, and home runs. This gives you the number of singles. Next, you will assign base values to each type of hit. Singles count as 1 base, doubles count as 2 bases, triples count as 3 bases, and home runs count as 4 bases. Once you have those numbers, you will multiply each type of hit by its respective base value. For example, if a player has 10 singles, you would multiply 10 by 1. If they have 5 doubles, you would multiply 5 by 2, and so on. After calculating the total bases for each hit type, you will add these numbers together to get the total bases. Finally, to find the slugging percentage, you will divide the total bases by the number of official at-bats. Remember, official at-bats do not include walks, hit by pitches, or sacrifices. The result will be a decimal number, which is typically rounded to 3 decimal places. For instance, a slugging percentage of 450 would be represented as 0.450. Slugging percentage is a foundational batting metric that works alongside batting average and on-base percentage. It highlights a player's ability to generate extra bases, making it an essential statistic for evaluating players from different eras. Players with high slugging percentages are often referred to as sluggers, as they excel at hitting for power, which is vital for scoring runs. So, next time you hear about a player's slugging percentage, you will know exactly how it is calculated and what it represents in the world of baseball statistics.